Friend, this video explain how you create React app on your machine. Make sure you have Node installed on your machine. If not, you can download Node and install it from its official website. Its official website will take a tour to that. Yes, and you can download the 18.16.0, the latest stable version. If you not install yet, now let's move to VS Code, and you can use your code editor whichever you like. Now let us create a React app. There is a command to create a React app, npx create React app will cls npx create hyphen React app tutorial create and press enter, and it takes some time. You can see the processing going on your terminal and wait for some time. It is installing React DOM, React Script and other dependencies. Here at the left side you can see there is a file package.json. It is still keep on processing. npx is a node package extension, and there is one another called npm node package manager. These two are come with node. Okay, we see it's take time. You need to have node 14 above equivalent above 14 and greater than 5.6 version of node on your machine to create a project or to run a app. React is stand for single page application. It's a totally component based framework for a React for JS. Now it's take time because of speed of net. It depends on your net speed. It create a app for us. Can see on your screen node modules, have knowledge about all the project dependencies, folders. In public folder you can see favicon, index.html, logo, manifest. In src you can see app.css. In this file you can write css code and create your own css file. app.js, there are logic, this is the main file. From there you can render your component. app.tsx, index.css, js, this is important and main file. And there are package.logjson, package.json. In package.logjson you can see the dependencies installed on your app, and readme you can write your information about the project. Okay, now we run our project by hitting npm start, and your project is this. Okay, cd tutorial and run npm start, and our project is running on port 3000.